Hi everyone. We'll move on to the next segment. In this slide, we are going to discuss about three type of info regarding about public issue. One is prospects, next one is ASPA, and third one is the green shoe option. So regarding prospects, already we have discussed. The offer document is also named as prospects. It is called a prospects when it is called fixed price method. It is opening before the issues happen in the market, whereas in the book build issue it is going to be happening only after the closing of the issue. So prospect is a small format of info regarding about company. A company investor wants to know about the company means it can be know through prospects or through offer document, or they are the draft offer document. If they are the prospect information is sufficient to the investor, he can take the decision, yes, I'm going to invest the money in the particular company. If suppose that information provided in a prospect must not be enough to convincing the investor, mean he can go for the offer document or draft offer document. So we can say it is a smaller version of the offer draft offer document, and offer document is prospects. And move on to the next one is the ASPA. The very important innovation, or maybe it's a introduction or the flexibility provided by SEBI to the investor is ASPA. ASPA is nothing but application supported by blocked amount. So for this we have to understand the things. Before ASPA, what happening means, if I'm an investor, I want to make the payment for the particular issue, means that means I am interested to buy the particular share. So once am I going to be submit by application, along with I have to send a draft for that particular application. That means if suppose I am going for 100 units, or I am going for the 200 shares or 300 shares or 500 shares, based on that one I have to fully paid the draft to the people. What's happening? So once I am providing application, my money is going to be used for payment. At that time I am paying I am my entire money is shifted to the company account, and for draft I am paying certain charges. If allotment is made, well and fine, I will get the benefit. If allotment is not made, what will happen? There will be a two problem. From the side of the investor, I have to wait for refund of money, and my draft charges is gone. All the 15 days or 20 days or 30 days, whatever the days is delayed, I am not going to get the interest of that my investment. And the next one is going to be happen the by way of the other activity. That is what is called as the company's issue. That means company has to maintain account and publicly and discharge the refund money to the certain public. So these are all confused one, unnecessary activities. When the ASPA is made, it is very simplified the issue. That to be nature, the investor need not to pay any money towards the application. Simply he has to perform only one thing. That means while the application is going to be submitted, he has to mentioning his account number and giving the rights to the banker of his own. If allotment is made, you can make the payment against the particular allotment. So if not allotment made, no problem, no issue, nobody is going to be lose its money. So what is the benefit mean? All these days my money is not going to be used by the banker and the company. That money is just blocked. I cannot use that particular money for further nature, but all other benefit, that means interest charges and the refund, these all will be excluded. So it is a very easiest method. All the difficulties of receiving refunding issues are come to a standstill because of ASFA. And move on to the next one, green shoe option. This is the next innovation and the next facility provided by SEBI to all the investor. What it is mean? Naturally, there will be a huge expectation from the particular company. That means normally whenever the issues are IPOs are coming, nowadays the investors are very much interested to go for offering the particular investment. But fortunately, there will be limitation. Only this much of the shares are going to be issued. Now the option is given to the company. If at all investors are more interested, more demand is available, then the company can raise up the issue up to 15 percentage, 15 percentage, which means if suppose I am going to issue for 100 rupees, now the demand is more, means I will go for the 115 rupees. This is the rights of the issuer. So what is the benefit to the investor? The investor point of view, the issue with here the green shoe option provides more profitability of getting shares, and also that post listing price may show relatively more stability as compared to the market volatility. So now the issue is coming not for 100 rupees meant for the another 15 rupees. So every investor have the chance to get their cake, as well as that in coming to the market, what is happening, instead of 100 shares it is coming to 115 shares. So the market volatility make to equate the price in the market. So in this slide we have discussed prospects, ASPA and the green shoe options. Thank you.